Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 100% free Proofpoint AI Data Security Specialist Certification 2025. This is for the cybersecurity training and get certified in the AI data security with the Proofpoint absolutely free in year 2025. The official certification helps you the master AI driven data protection, cyber defense and cloud security and earn a global recognized credential to boost your cybersecurity career. So key details will be there regarding this certification. So registration for this certification deadline last date for this certification is October 31st 2025. Course completion deadline will be the Jan 4 2026 and perfect for IT professional, cybersecurity expert, cloud and data engineers, AI and security persons. What you will earn AI powered threat prevention and mitigation, data loss protection DLP, and cloud security, real world AI use cases in cybersecurity, proof points, AI data security framework. So, so register here. This is the registration link. So we'll go through the registration link first. So copy this link. So Proofpoint, live Proofpoint certification AI data security specialist 2025. The registration deadline will be the 31st October and completion deadline will be the before 4 Jan 2026. So connect and other details will be there. Beginning certified is easy. There is a step one, register and take all the 3 1 hour session live on demand. Two, take a short exam at the end of the each session to take your knowledge. Three, pass each exam with a perfect score to earn your certification. Session detail. This is session detail on November 4th, 1 p.m. and 9 a.m. BRT. So you can change with your time zone. This is the this BST time zone. And session 2 on 5th, session 3 on 6th of November. Okay. FAQs. How do I earn my specialist certification? So you have to enroll one of the certification program, specialist program, and you need to score the 100% of each exam to pass the course. You and unlimited attempt to take your exams. So earn your certificate for the course. You need to have the watch 3 session and take 3 exam, all the 3 sessions and all the 3 exams. Yeah, you can demand for the on record means on demand for the recordings. So you will all session are recorded available on demand. So of course you will require to complete all the 3 session and pass all the exams to eligible for your certificate by the deadline date posting on the page. So these are the other FAQs. So once you have accepted your badge on Credly, click on the badge itself, navigate to the share button and select download your badge or slash certificate. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. So first we'll go for the enroll now. Certificate enrollment, your name, business email address, phone number, company name, and your select country. So let me put my name. Let me check with the Gmail address. So here it's needed corporate email address. For the testing purpose, I'm just checking with the johomail.in. So this is taking with the Joho mail. So you people also, if you don't have the business email address or any college email address and other email address, so you can go through that also. So technical certification, go that. You can register with that also. So there is other all the details will be there and analyst certification. So you have to take exam after completing this one. Session taker security analyst certification. You can give this exam. So we are not concentrating on that. We are concentrating on this one, this certificate. Okay. We have already enrolled on that. We'll get all the details about this certification. So in this video, we have learned how to get 100% free Proofpoint AI Data Security Specialist Certification 2025. This is cybersecurity training, and other details, key details are there. So don't miss the career boosting opportunity to stand out this field of AI and cybersecurity. Watch now, register today, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for the more free certification alert and career growth tips. Note Follow the process shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Subscribe to my channel for the more free certification tutorial and learning content. And this is my YouTube video, YouTube channel URL, and step by step process already I have shown to you. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.